Hi everyone, welcome to my Subelia beauty channel. How are you? I hope you're okay, and in this video I'm going to show you my mystery box that I have ordered from BoxyCharm, the event that they have, BoxyPopUp, and I did make two orders, one for the mystery box and second one with 10 items, like really extremely discount price. So I'm really happy because I managed to just order products that I really wanted to try and limit the damage, because I could have just go crazy, but I have ordered so much things. I have the boxes and I made the Sephora haul, so I was like, I need to slow down, so I limit myself to 10 items, and it cost me like $60, and $5 shipping's 65, and the mystery box cost me $49.99 US plus $8 of shipping, and it cost me like around $70-80 Canadian for the mystery box. So let's go ahead and I'm going to show you what I had in this box here. So it's the BoxyLuxe March 2019. The theme for that box was La Vie en Rose. And the first item that I'm going to show you, it's one of the reasons why I have ordered this box. It's the Cover FX palette, and I'm sure if you watch some YouTube videos you have seen this. And the only thing, I received the medium at dark, so I didn't even swatch it, so I will try to pass it on or trade with someone that has the light medium one. So that's retails in USA for $45 and $60 in Canadian. And the second item that I had is the Mud Up powder and soft glow brush, these two here. And I was really happy and hoping that I receive those here, because I always wanted to buy this kind of brush here. So I was happy about this, and the packaging I love, and it's metallic, so it was really cute. So these $29.99 US, and I put $39 Canadian. And then I have the iconic eyebrow cushion, and this one here, I don't know if I will pass it or try it, because since I have the microblading and shading, it's kind of faded, but I don't really use the brow product. So this is the packaging. It's so gorgeous, and it's a cushion item. It's not open, so I'm not going to open it, but I will see. And this one was pretty expensive. It's $40 American, and it's $53.21 Canadian. And then I had the Wonder Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask, this one here. So I love masks, so I'm pretty happy to receive that. And this retails for $34 USA, and in Canadian it's $44. And then I received the Becca Ultimate Lipstick Love, the packaging here, but you will see the packaging. I never had the Becca lipstick. I'm really addicted with their highlights, and look at this packaging here, and the color, it's really cute, and I think I will use it. But the packaging is to die for, and it's really heavy. It doesn't feel cheap, so maybe I will get addicted to their lipstick too. But I really love the packaging. So it's my first Becca lipstick, but for the highlights I have ton of them. The Becca ones, I'm like crazy addict. If you follow me on Instagram, you will see I'm an addict. I buy one when I see. And so this retail for $24 American and $32 Canadian. And then the cream that I mentioned that I was hoping to receive, it's the IT Cosmetic Confidence in a Cream, this one here. And this is the cream, the bottle, and like I said in previous videos, these are all full size, so I'm really happy. And this one here, it retails $48 American and $63 Canadian. So just with the few items that I had, the box, it's already paid. So I'm really happy, because I'm really happy about this box here, pretty much with everything except just one items, but it's okay. And then this is my first Lily lashes, and these retails, these are really expensive. These are $24.99 American and around $38 at Sephora. And then I also received the Morphe palette. Again, this is my first palette. This is why I told you I subscribe to these boxes to discover new brands, because it's always difficult, hard, to go and spend your hard-earned money on products that you don't even know if you will like the quality and everything. And Sephora, I love shopping there because the return policy, but like companies that are in USA, buying them and returning them is too much hassle. So I'm really happy that I can really try brands that not in Sephora. So I'm really happy. So far, I'm happy with the box that I received. And this is the Morphe 15 a day Slayer. This one here. And the package, and if you follow me, I did post it, and I was talking with one of my friends, and I was like, oh my god, it's making me think of the honey palette of Urban Decay. So, but you just don't have the the yellowish goldish colors, but I have it in other palettes. But it's really cute, neutrals, orangey colors, like for fall and everything. It will be great. And I will also try the Morphe palette. And then in my cartoon here, it says Adi's Sweet Almond Cuticle Oil. It was supposed to be retail at $18. So let's say maybe $28 Canadian. But I did receive the other brand, the NCLA Treatment So Rich, this one here. And this one, they are selling them in Sephora. And this retails for $27 American and like $37 Canadian. And to top it off, I have this BoxyCharm train case, this here, to put the makeup, and they put a retail value of $20 and I put 30 in Canadian. So all of this $387 Canadian, and I paid between $70 and $80 Canadian. So I'm really happy because I'm discovering new brands like the Lily lashes. I don't know if it's the Lily lashes or the House of Lashes. If you order from USA, you are guaranteed that you will pay duty. So I'm really happy to try these expensive eyelashes. So again, this was my box, and if you want all the details and everything, you can just click on the description box and you will have my referral link. If you use it, I will have some points that I can use to exchange and get some product with the points. And so yeah, that's it. So thanks again, and see you on my next video. Bye.